Can you actually clone your own voice with ElevenLabs? And how accurate is it compared to the original? What are the best ways to customize AI-generated voices for different types of projects, from podcasts to customer service? Welcome back to AI Daily Buzz. If you thought our last video on ElevenLabs was impressive, wait until you see what we have for you today. We're taking a deeper dive into ElevenLabs and exploring real-world applications, advanced tips, and surprising ways this tool is transforming industries. Whether you're a content creator, educator, gamer, or entrepreneur, today's video will give you new insights into how to get the most out of this incredible platform. ElevenLabs is more than just an advanced voice cloning and text-to-speech tool. It's a platform that's already making waves across industries, transforming how people create, communicate, and innovate. 1. Content creation. Content creators are some of the biggest beneficiaries of ElevenLabs' capabilities. Imagine being a YouTuber, podcaster, or audiobook creator who needs to produce consistent, high-quality voiceovers without spending hours in front of a microphone. ElevenLabs makes this possible by allowing creators to generate voiceovers quickly and efficiently, saving both time and effort. For example, a YouTuber can use ElevenLabs to clone their voice, ensuring their videos maintain a consistent tone, even on days when recording isn't feasible. Podcasters can create episodes without recording every single word themselves, while audiobook creators can narrate entire books in their unique voice, providing listeners with a personal and engaging experience. Beyond individual creators, media agencies are using ElevenLabs to scale their operations, producing more content in less time while maintaining professional quality. 2. Customer engagement. Businesses are using ElevenLabs to redefine customer interactions. AI-driven virtual assistants and chatbots now have the ability to speak in a brand's unique tone and voice, offering a personalized experience for customers. This is especially valuable in industries like e-commerce, where creating a warm and relatable customer experience can significantly impact loyalty and satisfaction. Imagine a luxury brand using ElevenLabs to create a virtual concierge that greets customers in a refined, elegant tone, or a tech company offering multilingual support bots that seamlessly switch between languages to assist customers worldwide. By combining voice customization with multilingual capabilities, ElevenLabs ensures brands can connect with their audiences on a deeper level. 3. Accessibility in education. Education is another space where ElevenLabs is creating a massive impact. By generating clear and natural-sounding speech in multiple accents and languages, it's helping educators reach more students and make learning more inclusive. For example, e-learning platforms can use ElevenLabs to create voiceovers for courses that cater to diverse student bases, breaking down language barriers and ensuring that the material is accessible to all. Audiobooks for visually impaired students or those with learning disabilities can be generated quickly and affordably. Teachers can even create engaging virtual lectures narrated in their own voice, saving time and adding a personal touch to online learning environments. 4. Entertainment and gaming. The entertainment and gaming industries are also embracing ElevenLabs as a game changer. Developers can now create rich, dynamic character voices that bring games and animated content to life. Whether it's a heroic protagonist, a sinister villain, or a quirky sidekick, ElevenLabs makes it possible to craft unique voices that match the personality and tone of each character. In gaming, voice cloning and customization are being used to create immersive experiences with characters that sound natural and relatable. For animators, ElevenLabs eliminates the need for time-intensive voiceover recordings, allowing them to focus on storytelling and production quality. 5. Global reach with multilingual voices. One of the standout features of ElevenLabs is its ability to generate voices in multiple languages and accents, making it a powerful tool for global communication. Businesses running international marketing campaigns can create ads with native-sounding voiceovers in different languages, ensuring their messaging resonates across diverse audiences. For example, a travel company might use ElevenLabs to create promotional videos with authentic voices in Spanish, French, Mandarin, or Hindi. Similarly, a video game developer can give each of their characters culturally accurate voices, enriching the player experience and enhancing immersion. ElevenLabs is a powerful tool with a range of features that can transform how you use AI-generated voice technology. While it's user-friendly and accessible, There are several advanced tips and tricks that can help you unlock its full potential and take your projects to the next level. Here's how you can make the most of ElevenLabs. 1. Fine-tuning voice customization. One of the standout features of ElevenLabs is its ability to customize voices to match specific needs. Beyond simply cloning a voice, you can adjust various parameters like pitch, tone, and emotion to create a voice that perfectly fits your project. For example, if you're creating a corporate training video, you might want a calm and professional tone. Conversely, for a commercial or a lively YouTube video, you can adjust the voice to sound energetic and upbeat. These subtle tweaks can make a huge difference in how your content is perceived by your audience. Experiment with emotional settings to add depth to your voiceovers. Whether it's joy, sadness, or excitement, playing with these nuances can help you convey a story or message more effectively. 2. Leveraging multilingual capabilities. ElevenLabs' ability to generate voices in multiple languages and accents is a game changer for global content. To maximize this feature, start by using text that's written in the style of the target language. This ensures that the rhythm, intonation, and expressions sound natural. Additionally, you can blend multilingual capabilities with voice customization. For example, you can create a voice that sounds fluent in Spanish with a specific regional accent, like Mexican or Castilian Spanish. This approach is particularly useful for businesses running international campaigns or creating diverse character voices for video games and animations. Tip: pair ElevenLabs with a translation tool to streamline multilingual voiceover projects. This allows you to create global content quickly and efficiently. 3. Batch processing for large projects. If you're working on large-scale projects like an audiobook or an e-learning course, ElevenLabs' batch processing capabilities can save you significant time and effort. Instead of generating voiceovers line by line, you can prepare a script with multiple entries and process them all at once. This feature is especially useful for professionals who manage high-volume workloads, such as content creators or instructional designers. It allows you to focus on refining the overall project instead of spending hours generating individual voiceovers. 4. Creating unique character voices. For storytellers, game developers, and animators, ElevenLabs is a dream tool for creating unique character voices. You can go beyond simply cloning your own voice by designing entirely new ones. Start by providing a mix of audio samples for the AI to learn from. Combine elements from different voices to create something distinctive. For instance, you might blend a deep, authoritative tone with subtle inflections of playfulness to create a character that feels multi-dimensional. Once the voice is generated, experiment with pitch and tone settings to make the character even more unique. You can create voices for heroes, villains, and even non-human characters like robots or mystical creatures, each with its own personality. 5. Using ElevenLabs for branding. Consistency is key in branding, and ElevenLabs can help businesses maintain a uniform voice across all their communication channels. By cloning a voice that reflects your brand's tone, you can use it for customer support bots, promotional videos, and even interactive experiences like virtual assistants. Fine-tune the voice to align with your brand's identity, whether it's formal and professional, friendly and conversational, or creative and quirky. This level of personalization ensures that every interaction reinforces your brand's message. 6. Combining ElevenLabs with other AI tools. To take your projects even further, consider integrating ElevenLabs with other AI tools. For example, you can use a video creation platform to pair ElevenLabs generated voiceovers with dynamic visuals, or a text generator to create scripts that are optimized for narration. By combining these technologies, you can create polished, professional content in a fraction of the time it would traditionally take. 7. Experimenting and iterating. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with ElevenLabs features. The platform is designed to be intuitive, so take the time to test different settings and styles. Iterate on your projects to find what works best for your audience or brand. For example, you can create multiple versions of a voiceover with different emotional tones and test them with your audience to see which one resonates most. The flexibility of ElevenLabs means that the possibilities are nearly endless. Now, let's dive into pricing. ElevenLabs has a variety of pricing plans designed to fit different needs, whether you're a beginner exploring the platform or a professional looking for advanced features. They offer a free tier, which is perfect if you want to test the basic functionality and get a feel for the platform. With the free plan, you can experiment with voice generation and cloning, but keep in mind there are some limitations on usage and access to premium features. For those who need more flexibility, ElevenLabs provides several pay plans. These plans offer higher voice generation credits, better quality audio outputs, and premium features like additional voices, faster processing, and advanced customization options. What's great about ElevenLabs is how scalable their pricing is. Whether you're an independent content creator or a large-scale business, there's a plan that matches your needs and budget, allowing you to access the tools you need to bring your creative projects to life. And that's a wrap on everything you need to know about ElevenLabs. Whether you're looking to create realistic voice clones, generate stunning images from text, or explore multilingual capabilities, ElevenLabs offers some truly cutting-edge tools to bring your ideas to life. With its user-friendly interface and scalable pricing, it's a platform that's accessible for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a pro. If you're interested in trying ElevenLabs yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think of its features, and if there are other AI tools you'd like me to review or dive into next. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I cover the latest and greatest trends in AI tools, sharing tips, reviews, and insights to help you get the most out of these technologies, whether you're a developer, content creator, or just curious about what AI can do. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring what AI can do. See you in the next video.